but you're on the start line of the international Formula 1 circuit of Silverstone.
Aujourd'hui, on a été tiré au sort pour aller faire une visite guidée du Gridwalk avec un YouTuber qui est un ancien ingénieur de chez McLaren, c'est Marc Elvis Presley. Donc on a rendez-vous avec lui à 13h à l'international paddock. On ne sait pas trop à quoi s'attendre, mais bon, on verra bien, ça sera la surprise.
Bon, on attend le Gridwalk. On n'a pas encore vu Elvis. C'est chiant. Normalement, on devait être 10. Il y a un peu plus de monde. Je pense alors on a de quoi s'occuper. Peut-être Baston et la Piscarole. Ah là 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 là, mais quelle belle voiture. Attends, regardez-moi ça. C'est de très très belles voitures. Avec derrière, c'est le courage là. Ah oui, c'est vrai, c'est une Piscarole. Mais on dirait le courage. La Lola Aston Martin des années, je crois vers les 2010. Avec un V12 malgré un gros silencieux qui a un peu détruit tout. Ouais, mais là, je compte avec moi. Tu voulais de la participation, mais là, tu l'as rappelé.
Of the international Formula 1 circuit of Silverstone, and this is exactly what it'd be like on a real Grand Prix weekend, even back in the day, but in current times as well. Elvis could talk to you from a mechanic's perspective about what they're going through. So Elvis, right now they're getting ready to start this Formula 1 race. What's going through their heads?
It's one of the most intense moments in a Grand Prix weekend. You know, everything's built up to this moment.
At the moment, they put everyone to the side.
Nicky Lauda, he's McLaren, absolutely amazing, iconic piece of automotive motorsport legends, basically.
And it's another one where the livery, you know, is iconic in itself, isn't it? The livery and the cars just seem to go together so well. If you think about McLaren back in the day, you think about that Marlboro livery. I mean, no one actually knows, well, you do know this, but they've gone on to sponsor Ferrari for decades beyond that. But I still think this livery stands out as being the Marlboro livery. That's how powerful it was.
There was a period of time on tobacco sponsorship when I was doing some work with Ferrari out in Maranello, that Ferrari weren't allowed to advertise Marlboro on the side of their cars. So they just dropped the name. They just dropped Marlboro, but they still run the cars with that livery on it. Yeah. So everyone just kind of knew what it meant and what it stood for.
Well, not many people know, actually. Even today, Ferrari still have Marlboro sponsorship because it's Philip Morris who own Marlboro. They just use one of their vaping brands, which is allowed. So they're still in the background piping money into Ferrari. There you go. Let's get on this car.
remember Stewart Racing. Stewart Racing, you're at that, Jackie Stewart. Who are Jackie Stewart Racing team today? So Stewart Racing, who are they today? It's Red Bull. Yeah, Stewart Racing is still the
I
same.
think that whistle means we've got to get off the grid.
Okay, so we keep walking and we get ushered off the grid slowly.